Welcome back to the ABC of Things. Today we're visiting the farm, with many animals to sing. The pig is pink and loves to play, rolling in the mud all day. The cow provides milk fresh and sweet, loving meadows under her feet. The chicken clucks and flutters around, pecking seeds upon the ground. The little chick is soft and small, curiosity leads through field and hall. Who's that coming down the way? Let's find out and start to say. The horse runs fast across the ground, strong and steady all around. The sheep has a woolly coat so soft, guarding her through cold and frost. The ram has horns, proud and grand, a mighty presence on the land. The duck floats in the pond so clear, splashing with joy without a fear. Who's that coming down the way? Let's find out and start to say. The goat likes jumping on the farm, climbing fences with its charm. The rooster crows at early dawn, calling out to wake the lawn. The turkey struts with feathers bright, a proud and colorful sight. The donkey brays to help the crew, working hard the whole day through. Who's that coming down the way? Let's find out and start to say. The rabbit leaps through meadows green, nibbling